iCloud supports saving contacts in a specific format, which can also be used on your Android device without any problems. The main purpose of this video is to provide all feasible solutions to this problem of how to transfer iCloud contacts to Android. Solution 1. Transfer contacts from iCloud to Android with phone backup. If you are looking for a simple and efficient data transfer solution, then you must try phone backup for Android. It is a safe and reliable tool that can help you back up the data on any Android device and restore it. Step 1. Connect your Android device to your computer. Step 2. Log into your iCloud account. Step 3. Restore the iCloud backup to Android. Solution 2. Transfer iCloud contacts to Android via iCloud or Google account. Visit iCloud.com on your computer and log into your Apple ID and password. Choose Contacts and press Ctrl+A to select all contacts. Click Settings in the lower left corner and tap Export the card. Pay attention to where the file is saved. Head over to google.com/contacts and log into your Google account. Click More, Import, and browse for the vcard file you exported from iCloud on your computer. Finally, go to your Android phone and tap on Settings, Accounts, your Google account to sync contacts with Android. Solution 3. Retrieve contacts from iCloud to Android using apps. 1. Sync for iCloud contacts. Sync contacts from multiple iCloud accounts with background images. No contact limit. Direct sync with default app. Adjust sync frequency. Free with in-app purchases. 2. Synchronize cloud contacts. Manages and transfers contacts. Enables two-way data sync. Supports multiple Apple IDs. Works for iPhone, iPad, and Mac OS X. Free with in-app purchases. 3. Multi-sync for iCloud contacts and calendar sync. Supports sync of multiple iCloud accounts IDs. Enables two-way data sync. Adjustable frequency. Syncs essential contact info, including images, birthdays, addresses, etc. Free with in-app purchases.